I think I'm gonna take this with me.
No, Dad.
Yes.
Dad, they have them there that you can rent.
I don't want to wear anybody else.
What? The moment we've all been waiting for. We're finally bringing down the luggage from the attic. Today is 13 days until we leave for our trip. Feels like it's right around the corner.
It's heavy tonight. It's heavy.
Okay.
Lean against this.
Oh.
Okay.
All right. We got the luggage. Let's go pack. I haven't seen you in so long. The last time I used this was October 2019. My travel backpack. Finally bringing it out because the trip is 1 week away. This is the Osprey Fairview 55, I guess. Here is my travel backpack that I have used for 2 trips now. I used it for both my Japan trip and my Peru solo trip. Both those trips are on my channel. Majority of them are on my channel right now, so links are down below. I've never traveled for 7 weeks before. I don't think this backpack is really gonna cut it for a 7-week trip. So I decided to bring this one and another carry-on sized suitcase. This Osprey backpack is carry-on size for the majority of airlines. The other really cool thing about it is that it has a day pack on it. So if you unzip this top part, it's a whole backpack. But then this here is shake packs. So these lime green things, this is what I would use as my organizers. They're packing cubes. These shake packs are really great for keeping your clothes nice, clean, organized, folded, and then I can like throw my shoes and anything like dirty clothes or whatever on top of it, and I feel a lot more organized than I would if I just packed everything inside the big Osprey bag. Anyway, it's time to get started packing. Yesterday, I was able to pick up this package that I had been waiting for from Sojourner. Sojourner is a company that sells fanny packs, hydration packs, and other travel and festival gear. So the folks at Sojourner were kind enough to send me this package that I'm gonna open here with y'all. In the description box, you're gonna find a link to their Amazon shop where you can check out all of their products. How cute! How cool is this? I didn't even realize that has a colorful zipper. Let me open it up all the way. Yeah, look how cute and shiny that is! Check that out. Look at this beautiful fanny pack. It's so nice and shiny. I didn't even notice when I chose it that it has this really nice colorful zipper. Sort of rainbow. It's blue and then it goes into pink, yellow, back to blue, and it's also on the top zippers. This looks really big. So I chose the Sojourner Fanny Pack. On the zipper it says Sojourner. Can you see that? And I'm gonna show you up close because it is black, but as you can see, it's a little bit of this iridescent color. There's a front zipper pocket, and you can see that's nice and roomy in there. And then there is this main pocket with the Sojourner bags tag in there. And that is also nice and roomy. You could definitely fit a lot in there. This is good for travel. And then there's a little back pocket, maybe for your keys, your ID, the stuff that you want to keep closer and safer. We've got this nice, thick, heavy-duty strap. It feels great quality. And this buckle also feels good. Definitely going to be using this fanny pack for my travel. I want to say thank you again to Sojourner. The link for their store is going to be down in the description box below so that you can check this out. So once we get started traveling in about a week's time, we will see how the Sojourner fanny pack holds up. Good morning. It's just after 4 in the morning and we just made it to the airport. We finally made it. I have my main backpack here with me, my travel pack. I have my carry-on luggage. I have my Sojourner fanny pack. And we are just waiting for the check-in counter to open because it's so early. Our flight is at 6 something. This is the first time I'm traveling post-COVID quarantine. Everyone seems to be wearing a mask, even though California did open up last week. It looks like everyone is still respecting all of the federal rules. So masking up, social distancing, and most people here probably are vaccinated. Hello from the airport. We're at the Belize City airport. We made it to Belize. Let me show you. It says the Philip S.W. Goldson International Airport. We made it! I'm really sweaty. It's not that hot. It's just really humid. We made it through to Dallas, and then from Dallas we came to Belize. It was overall not that bad of an experience. Mask wise and like COVID restrictions wise, I think because I'm vaccinated, because California already opened up, and because I've been out and about already, I felt pretty comfortable. Everybody was wearing their mask. Not everyone was wearing their mask correctly, but I felt relatively safe. And then everyone tried their best to keep the 6 feet. Again, not everyone did, but it was enough. I think it was enough. Right now we are getting our rental car, and then we are going to head to family in Belize City. Impromptu what's in my bag? It was so convenient to have my Sojourner Fanny pack in the airport. In the front pocket, I carried my boarding passes, my favorite pack of gum, my headphones, and this new SPF lip balm I've been loving from Jack Black. No, really, that's the name. In this huge main compartment, I fit my big ol' wallet, a pack of blotting papers that turned out to be no match for this humidity, my tech pouch where I keep my chargers, SD cards, things like that, and my portable charger. This back pocket is empty now, but I was keeping my coveted vaccine card there so I wouldn't lose it. Good morning. Well, actually, I don't even know if it's morning. It might be afternoon. We are heading into Merab. We've been shopping this morning, and we went to immigration. We picked up a phone for my parents to use, and now we're headed to Merab to go look at appliances and things. So a bit of shopping today.
on the hammock. Close the door, please, before that blackbird come inside.
Good morning. Today we're going to immigration. So I'm gonna have to take a photo and there's all these rules that I have to abide by. I have to wear a dark shirt with sleeves, which I did not even bring. I have to wear my hair in one of the accepted styles. I even have to take out my facial piercings, and I've never done that since I've gotten them. Thank you so much for watching my Belize travel vlog. I hope you enjoyed the video. There are many more videos where that came from because I'm staying in Belize for another month. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. They'll be coming out real soon. If you're interested in other travel vlogs, I will link them down below. On this channel, we've been to Japan and Peru, so check those out below. I also want to add a quick disclaimer here that in the beginning of this video, I was much more excited and confident in my vaccine to allow me to travel all over the world despite the ongoing pandemic. The conversation in my country was that vaccines sort of make you immune to anything and you're allowed to just go about your life. The mask mandate was lifted and the officials basically said that if you're vaccinated, you're good. But now I've been reading a lot about this Delta variant, and I've been reading that there are some vaccinated people that have gotten sick. There are also some vaccinated people that have died. I'm gonna add links below to where I've read that just so that I can cite my sources. But it's safe to say I'm feeling less confident traveling internationally right now. I just feel different than I did a week ago. So I just want to explain that it's always changing. This is, I guess, what it's like to travel through a pandemic. Some days you're feeling really confident and some days you're not. And lately I'm just feeling a little more anxious than I was when we left. With all that said, that's the end of the first week. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, there are many more Belize travel vlogs coming your way because I'm here for another month. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next Belize travel vlog. Bye!